I don't know if you've experienced this yet, Will, but apparently there's a big time Starbucks shortage going on.
Is there?
Starbucks is just exploding in popularity right now. They're just crushing it as the weather heats up and everybody's getting all their milks.
Really?
Their milk varieties in their drinks. Well, that's one of the things that's in short supply, oat milk.
Oh, yeah.
But there's a lot of other things. Another thing that people are mad about is the matcha shortage?
Matcha shortage.
Yeah, you have a bunch of tweets here. People are saying, and actually chai tea as well. Chai tea bags are on temporary hold.
Wow.
Hazelnut syrup is out of stock. They're booming too much over here. You're not going to get your drinks or ingredients at certain locations. They say that it's supply chain issues, being able to meet the demand there.
Huh.
Drinks with oat milk will not be made until, and also cake pops and cup stoppers.
Wow.
You know this?
This is the end of the world.
Do you say yes or no to the stopper if they say to you, "Do you want a stopper in that?"
No.
Yeah, I don't know.
I think it's kind of a waste.
I don't know what the stopper is about.
Germs?
Germs. Go on.
Going into that little tiny hole, or is it spill?
Well, I think it's spill. It's called a stopper, but usually it's not filled to the point. You would really need to rattle that to get out the top of the.
Yeah, because the lid is elevated.
Maybe if you're carrying like a bunch of drinks, you're like, yeah, you got to put stoppers in there. Anyway, you're not getting a stopper right now.
You're just windmilling the cup there.
I mean, I'll tell you something about these cups that bugs me anyway. Is like it's more likely to drip around the seam.
Yeah.
Than it is through the top portion in many cases, in my experience.
Yeah.
Don't get me started on cups.
No.
McDonald's has a great cup though. With the two walls, you don't need to put the
I agree.
other piece on it. Yeah. Like the sleeve, so it's not too hot to hold. McDonald's cup has two walls to it, so it's insulated. And so you grip it, you can actually feel the interior wall and the exterior wall. I don't know what it means for the environment. It's probably obviously terrible. 2 cups for one. They're testing reusable cups in the UK. Oh, that's another thing. Starbucks is bringing back the reusable cup. They had it offline for the COVID, but now you can bring your own mug again and save the environment.
Okay, that's
if
nice.
If you want to, it's up to you, Will. Anyway, there you have it. Tesla event, a variety of other topics for your viewing pleasure. What can I say? Model S, Plaid. I think it looks good. I think it's fun. It'll cost you a few bucks. Probably the long range one is fine, to be honest.
Uh-huh.
Wait, did that just change again? The range? What the hell?
What? Oh, maybe it did.
What the hell? It went down.
Yeah. Wasn't it like 390 before?
It was.
Okay, maybe we should get like another fact checker here.
What the hell is going on here? Well, range. Go to purchase price instead of potential savings. Well, the long range is 375 and the
Uh-oh.
Wait a sec. This is not right. You're on Model S. You're not on Plaid or whatever. You're on the old one or something.
What? What do you mean?
What? I don't know what you're doing over here. Something's going on here.
Okay, let me just go.
Go custom order right there. Custom order.
I got to go to the US site.
Glitch in the matrix.
Okay, there you go. It's better.
Oh my God. But wait a second.
Maybe it's like a website issue.
Okay.
I don't know.
All right. Yeah. Anyway, there you have it. We came, we saw. We ordered a Model S.
There you go.
That was a long time ago, actually.
It was.
I don't know if it's going to show up or not. We'll put it over there if it does.
Yeah.
Use it as a gaming PC that you can sit inside of.
Sure.
Whole video dedicated Cyberpunk inside Model S Plaid shipping one day in 2077.